Okay, question 20. A man saved rupees 33,000 in 10 months. In each month after the first, he saves rupees 100 more than he did in the preceding month. How much did he save in the first month? Okay, so the first month, that is the A, we are supposed to find. This is how much. Okay, common difference over here, that is D is going to be 100. Total amount saved is 33,000. So SN, that is S10, because here 10 months are there. Okay, so this is going to be 33,000. And obviously N over here is going to be 10. Okay, now here what we are going to do is we will apply both the formula. We'll apply the formula of Tn, we'll apply the formula of Sn. So that is T10 is equal to, okay, the last month how much he has saved we don't know, so this is going to be A plus N minus 1, so that is 10 minus 1 multiplied by D. Okay, so this is going to give me T10 is equal to A plus 9D. Same way we are going to apply the formula for S10, which is N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, S10 over here is 33,000. This is equal to, this is 10 upon 2, 2A plus, this will be 10 minus 1 into D. So 33,000 is equal to 5, 2A plus 9D. Okay, so this is what we have substituted here. And then we have got this particular equation, 33,000 is equal to 5 bracket 2A plus 9D. What I'm going to do is I'm going to divide 33,000 by 5. So I'm going to get 6,600. Okay. And this is 2A plus 9D. Then what I'm doing is I'm splitting this 2A as A plus A. So A plus A plus this 9D is here. Now what is this A plus 9D? This A plus 9D, okay, is T10. That is the last term. And here, the first term is A. Every time I'm adding 100, then again 100. So this is going to go on up till 10 times. So the last term is going to be A plus 900. So this term A plus 9D is A plus 900. So this part I'm substituting. So this is becoming A plus 900. From this, I'm going to get the value of A. Okay, 900 I'll transfer over here. That is 5700. This is equal to 2A. So I'm dividing it by 2. So this is A, that is the first term. The amount that is saved in the first month is rupees 2850. If you have any questions, you can ask, or else you can take down the sum. I'm just quickly in short explaining you what I have done. Okay, total amount saved is 33,000 in 10 months. Okay, in the first month, he's saving certain amount, and then every month he's adding rupees 100 to it, which he is doing 10 times. Okay, so 10 times is this part. A, the first term, first month is A, then A plus 100, A plus 200, 10 times he is doing this. The total amount saved is 33,000. Okay, so SN, that is the total amount. I'm applying this formula. I'm substituting this and I'm getting the value of A as 2850. Now you can take down the sum. If you have any questions, you can ask me.